In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable hardware acceleration in Steam in just a few quick steps. This is a useful setting if you want Steam's interface and web views to feel smoother and more responsive, especially if the client has been feeling a little sluggish. It only takes a minute and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it easily. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click Steam. This opens the main menu where you can access all the important client settings. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. That will open the Steam settings panel where you can customize different parts of the app. In the settings window, look through the left side menu and click Interface. This is where Steam keeps options related to the look and behavior of the client itself. Now, inside the interface section, find the option that says Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views. Go ahead and enable that checkbox. This is the hardware acceleration setting that helps Steam use your graphics card to render web-based parts of the app more efficiently. Once you've turned it on, the change won't fully apply until you restart Steam. So after enabling the option, close Steam completely and then open it again. After the restart, Steam will be running with hardware acceleration enabled in the web views, which can help improve responsiveness and overall smoothness. And that's it. You've successfully enabled hardware acceleration in Steam. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.